talk about artificial intelligence, what it is, what are its types, what is its history and future will be. Uh, the artificial intelligence is made from two words, the artificial and the intelligence. The artificial means something which is man-made, and the intelligence means the power of thinking. So it is like giving the power of thinking to your computer and to your other devices as well. But we cannot simply transplant the brain into the computer or into any other device. So we how we give them the power of thinking over the brain? So we train them based on the data. Before artificial intelligence, the computer gave us reply, the code, by the code we have coded, and it was all manually. And after the artificial intelligence, people start they start learning from the data like the humans too. Like when you were small kid, you learn many things through the data you have seen around the world. Like you have seen people falling from a cliff and die, so you are careful from the cliff and from the height. And you see the people around you eating for energy, and now you eat for energy as well. So artificial intelligence is same, it learns from the data we gave to it. And now there are two types of artificial intelligence. The first one is a narrow AI, and the second one is general AI. The narrow AI means something which is very good at one skill. Like you can say the self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are very good at driving, but they cannot cook for you, they cannot solve the mathematical equations for you, they cannot solve your life problems, but they are very good at solving your one problem, which is self-driving. And the second type is general AI. General AI means something which is as good as human being, means they can do multiple tasks. They can cook the food for you, they can drive a car for you, they can cut your hairs, they can solve the mathematical equations for you. They are good at many things, and basically they have the intelligence level of as good as a humans. They cannot do everything, obviously they cannot eat, but they are as good as the humans. So many people think that the artificial intelligence started in 2021, but actually it started in 1940s and 50s. And many of the product that we are using today are the examples of artificial intelligence. Like you can say the Google Assistant is an AI, Siri is an AI, and ChatGPT is an advanced version of AI. So we see that everything is around AI, and everyone is talking about AI. So its future will be a lot more bigger than this, because the future of AI is obviously AGIs. We will create something that is as intelligent as human being. And Sam Altman says that we are almost 5 years away from the AGIs, but I don't think. I think that we are almost at least 20 years away from AGIs. Even though I do not know about the complexities of artificial intelligence and AI systems and developing AGIs, but still I think that it would be too fast to like have AGIs in the next 5 years.